Answer me this. What is one thing that every smart homeowner has in common? They know their home equity and they know how to use it to their advantage. And what I mean by home equity is the amount that you owe on your home loan versus what your home is currently worth. The smartest homeowners know that if they have good credit and they have a lot of that equity, they now have the option to use some of that equity. Yes, you can literally get money from that difference between what you owe and what your home is currently worth. One of the most well-known and commonly used products for getting some of that equity is through a thing called a HELOC, or a home equity line of credit. And with that HELOC money, you can do stuff like pay off credit cards, pay for home improvements like solar panels, or go on a summer vacation, or like many other smart homeowners, use that HELOC money as a down payment for a rental property. So if you have good credit and you have some equity, apply for a HELOC through Synergy One Lending and be a smart homeowner.